Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Cassie here. So today I just want to share with you this quick delicious African style steak recipe. So of course I am using cubes for the beef here. I already washed it, and what you are seeing on top of it, actually I do have a bit of allspice on top of it, and this is the spices I'm going to use. Like I told you guys, this is fast, so of course this is my my spices here, my Haitian spices or Creole spice or épices. And so I just cut up a few fresh garlic, a couple of cloves of fresh garlic in here. I also have like with the smoked paprika in here, and also a bit of seasoning salt. I do not want to add a lot of salt yet, but of course you guys already know with the flavors. So I am mixing everything, and then I do have also a bit of olive oil for flavor, and I am mixing everything together, right? And I am mixing the spices with the meat. So what we are going to do, instead of sear the meat, we are just gonna let it boil for a bit. That will just with its own juice, and that will just help with the flavor to go in. Okay guys, so this is our beef cubes here. So I am going to cook that in the oven first for 30 minutes with the oven on 350, and we'll be right back. I am going to show you what I am. Guys, guess what? I just realized the video was not on, so we missed one step. I just talked to myself. So basically what I had done, I added all the vegetables that I had here, and then I used my mustard, hot dipping mustard, and then I also just made a sauce with it. And so I add a tablespoon, and then a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and then also maybe half or a teaspoon of lime juice. So I mix them together, and then I add them into the meat, and then so I mix all the vegetables that I had here into the meat, and we are going to boil the meat for maybe less than 10 minutes, like 5 minutes on each side basically. Oh my gosh guys, look at this. Oh là là, le goût, c'est tellement bon, il faut vraiment essayer, hein? Oh my gosh friends, the juiciness in this meat, oh, and the flavor is out of this world. You just have to really try it. Oh my gosh. Well, you may be wondering, what are you gonna pair this with? You can pair this with plantain, you can pair this with rice, yuca, you name it. So anyways guys, so you know I'm here to bring the flavor to you. Thank you for watching your girl Cassie, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Allez, bisous.